this is Penny. I want to share with you about my gas stovetop here. I am thoroughly impressed with the GASLAND Master 30-inch gas cooktop. It has 5 burners with griddle. The burners have plenty of space between them, offering a range of power outputs. The burners ignite effortlessly, and it does a great job providing consistent and even heat. This unit is heavy duty. The grates are heavy and very durable. They're made of cast iron. The cooktop is CSA certified, which gives peace of mind regarding safety and quality. I normally use the grill outside for meat since it's too messy, but I really like the removable cast iron griddle here. It's perfect for grilled sandwiches or veggies. With just a light coat of olive oil, it tastes amazing. The sleek 304 stainless steel panel complements any kitchen style. My kitchen here has the original oak cabinets from 30 years ago, but the cooktop blends in beautifully. It's an upgrade that feels both luxurious and practical. I really like that the burners are sealed, preventing food from falling into them. It is easy for cleaning. I simply remove the grates and wipe clean with a rag, or I'd use a magic eraser dipped in soap to make sure the grease is removed. Be careful of what you clean with, as surface could scratch. It is overall easy to install with basic tools. We used the cardboard that came in the package to mark out the stove bottom on the back of the countertop and used a jigsaw to cut it. If you're doing it on your own, I would recommend drilling 4 holes at the corners before cutting along the lines. I'll make a future video of us shopping and changing out the countertop if you need it. Stove arrived with no scratches and dings, and it was very well packaged. Before putting down the stove, we used the foam tape that came in the package around the edges. It included all hardware in the description. We did not need to purchase anything extra for installation, which we're happy about. Make sure to wrap the Teflon around the connection points. The plug-in feature makes installation straightforward, and do a gas leak test after installation. This stove is designed for natural gas and liquid propane. Overall, for those who are looking for a blend of style, performance, GASLAND Master is a great choice. I would not hesitate to recommend this.